Hey there, welcome back. Need to make more than one stop during your Uber trip? Maybe you're picking up a friend or grabbing something on the way. Today, I'll show you how to add multiple stops on Uber, either before the ride starts or while you're on the road. First, open your Uber app, then tap the Where To box at the top of your screen. You'll see a plus icon to the right of the destination box. Go ahead and tap that. Tap Add a Stop and type in your first stop. Want to include more stops? Tap Add a Stop again. You can add up to 3 stops total. Once you've added the locations in the right order, hit Save to lock them in. If you're already on a ride, don't worry, you can add or change stops during the trip too. Just remember, each stop should be quick, under 3 minutes, or Uber may charge extra for the waiting time. And that's how easy it is to plan a trip multiple stops using Uber. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.